We are here at Winters Park today for our second annual Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Celebration. We have a very large Asian American population, and it's grown exponentially over the last probably decade. We are today celebrating their culture, their food, their songs, dance. It is really just a wonderful celebration.
We see a lot of adult professionals and younger generation, like 6, 5, 7, 10 years old. They participate in the program because they learn how to bring up to be a proud Asian American and bring their heritage to the community to share.
Chiều tìm không mây đường cũ bước lần về buồn nghe say giữa
We are back here again with more performances and more people participating. So hopefully this will be the best year. This will be the signature event that everyone will keep on coming back next year.
Such a wonderful event, in such a beautiful day in the heart of the city of Garland. Thank you, the city of Garland.
người đánh sắt ta bỏ ta một mình để rồi ra đi cách xa.
It helps us celebrate our diversity here in the city of Garland. We are one of the most diverse cities, certainly in the Metroplex and maybe across the state of Texas. It is our desire to make sure that all voices are heard from wherever you started. If you live here in the city of Garland, we want you to know that you are represented and respected here in the city.